So welcome back to what is possibly the penultimate video of me and my cheap Pioneer Nevada motorbike project. So over the past few months, if you've been watching the previous videos, you'll have seen me putting in a spare hour here or there to do some basic repairs on the bike, get it back up and running. So with all those repairs now done, it's time to spend a bit of time giving this bike some TLC, giving it a nice good clean and putting some final touches on it before we move it on to its new home. So we're going to be giving this a good wash down today and a little bit of tarting up here or there. So in the last video you'll have seen me badly respray one of those both of those side panels, but I did put on that rusty old chain guard, but I've now set those aside, so we'll come back to them later in the video. But we're going to get into all the little details on this, give it a nice good clean up and see if we can get it looking half decent and not so unloved. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the cleaning. Touching up some final bits. I did decide to spray the wheels. I didn't really film it because I was just trying it out, see how it looked, and obviously I got a bit of overspray on the tyres, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. WD-40 and a scouring pad. So it's all washed down, done a little bit of tarting up, Painted the wheels, the forks, giving it obviously that good clean all over. Couldn't find my auto sol or chrome polish, so I'll have to do that another time. But she's now pretty much ready.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
That is about it for me in the Pioneer. There's a couple of little things left to do, like change that to a rubber rather than a bit of tape, and glue in the silicone in the ignition barrel. But other than that, the bike is done and is ready to move on to a new owner. So if you've enjoyed this series, then give this video a thumbs up and make sure you've subscribed to the channel. But thank you all for watching, and we'll obviously get this bike moved on and get the money rolled over into another project then. So let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. So thanks everyone for watching.